Can you withdraw Temu credits? Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will discuss whether you can withdraw your Temu credits or not. So please watch till the end as I will discuss it properly. So if you want, you can download Temu on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can check out their website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, I will start. So right here, I'm on the homepage of Temu. So what I'm going to do is to go to my profile. As you can see, you can check at your profile by clicking the U button on the bottom part. And after I did that, I will see all of these options, but we're only gonna focus on the credit balance option. So I'm just going to click it. So after I click it, it will show me all of my credit balance. So here is your answer. As you can see, there is no option that available to withdraw your credit balance because your credit balance is very important. You can get that by purchasing or making a review of an item in Temu. And yeah, doing that will earn you credit balance. And credit balance, you can use it as a extra funds. So yeah, you cannot withdraw this balance. You can only use this as your payment in your items that you want to buy. And yeah, that's it. Final conclusion, you cannot withdraw your credit balance. You can only use this to pay something in Temu. And yeah, that's your answer. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.